Hey guys, welcome to Mom's Little Vlogger. Today I'm gonna get a haircut and I'm really excited. So let's do this. I'm getting ready to get my haircut done. She's asking me what my name is and so what hairstyle do I want? I'm getting ready. She's washing my hair right now. It's been so long since I got a haircut, so it's kind of exciting. I want to cut my hair really short, so she's starting to cut. I'm a bit scared, but I'm excited at the same time. She's about to cut. Oh my god, she cut my hair. It's so short. The last time I got my haircut was in India, and I cut it really short. It's like this one is the same hairstyle as this one, but it's a little bit shorter. This is my first time having a haircut in Canada, and the hair salon where I got this done is called GM Hairstyles. So yeah. And I'm really excited because she's almost done. I can't wait to see the final results. It's almost done. There it is! I'm done! I look so cute. I look so pretty. Let's shake it out. I look so cute. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Have an amazing weekend. Ta-da!